Okay, so we have a Lamborghini Urus, came on a tow truck. They need it fast, very, very quick. So Mr. Javier is gonna change it real fast so we can get this car back to the customer's house. Well, Javier is, there you go. Oh. Nice. Magic.
Just Googling the battery.
Why are you laughing? At least you're doing something.
Because I know.
You're behind them laughing.
Because I know what is the battery.
Thinking about your car payment.
You know, I was thinking about to shame this Lambo.
To shame this Lambo?
Shame.
Shame?
Yeah, because it's stuck.
You got the car the first day and you already got smoked by another car. No, probably the fastest car to ever get smoked is your car.
No, it's a BMW.
And you got smoked by Moses.
It's an M8.
Moses doesn't even know how to drive a car.
Of course he does. He just has to punch it.
Ask Moses. He didn't even put it in M mode. He didn't even know what he was doing.
He did.
I was shifting pretty good. I want to buy a car too.
You will drop the Lambo's name?
No, you can race my car if you want.
Why are you working on the McLaren? Do this first. Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. I don't know why he's doing that car than this car, but Javier thinks he can work on both cars at the same time. So, Lamborghini Urus, battery, new batteries put in. Battery is right here, passenger front, basically right under the carpet. So, battery is located right there. It's good to go. We're going to reset some lights and tow this thing right back to the customer's house.
First of all, we are in Sarkis' brand new BMW X6M competition. He took all our financial advice and did the opposite thing and went and leased this damn $140,000-$150,000 car. Deep down inside, I'm happy for him, but at the same time, I'm very disappointed. He shouldn't have this car with his financial situation, but I hope it motivates him more. Of course, we can't film because we're in the middle of Hollywood and there's fire trucks and ambulances non-stop. This car, he thinks he can smoke everybody with it. It's pretty fast. So it's very smooth and quick. It launches like an animal because, again, four-wheel drive. It has 630 horsepower, I believe, 630, 635. And it's a competition package, so he got like the top of the line shit. Of course, he learned from me now and he got red interior. I mean, I do like this much better than his M850i convertible because I don't like convertibles. I like small SUVs and this is what this is. So he's running around just saying Urus killer non-stop. My car's tuned, so it's faster than this, but this thing is a beast. He already tinted it somehow before we even saw the car. So it's tinted. He's getting custom exhaust in like a couple days apparently. He's in over his head right now. So show him some love. Let him know what you guys think. But yeah, congratulations, man. Work harder.
He's so happy.
Oh my gosh.
One was super slow. He's waiting for a good answer.
How do you like it?
Did you get a detuned version or what'd you do? I don't know, it feels like maybe 500 horsepower.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's fully open.
You all that talking and that's how fast it is?
Bro, I will smoke your car. I will smoke your car, you don't even imagine.
Oh my god. It feels like your M850, to be honest. He even said that.
What do you think, Joe?
He said it feels like the M850.
No, you don't. It's fast, trust me.
Really?
You have to ride it.
What do you have to do?
They have to do the professional, not everyone.
What's the professional way?
You want to sit and see?
No, I don't. The professional way is not crashing into a wall. Good job. It's a nice car.
If I tune that car, I will drop your emblems, Lamborghini Urus emblems. Oh, my plate is coming. Urus killer. There is a thing, carbon fiber. They just made it for only X6. Urus killer. It's on
Are you
eBay.
gonna tune your car?
Yeah.
But he said you're not a Urus killer. So you can't.
There's 2 Uruses here that'll kill your car.
Because they're tuned.
They'll kill your car regardless.
You're gonna tune
If I
your car too.
Bro, if I tune the car, I will rip them. I'll make sure the emblem falls whenever I punch it.
You know your license plate should be more than I could afford.
That would be nice.
He laughs. In debt.
Yeah.
Hey, no, that's a nice one.
That's true.
That's a nice one.
have Sarkis' X6 Killer. This is phase 3 of my Urus, okay? Phase 1 was the brush white with the wide body. Phase 2 was the satin silver chrome. Phase 3 is now painted version. So it is the factory color white, but the body kit has been painted now to match. I never painted it before. It was always wrapped. After seeing the black one, that was all paint, I got a little bit jealous, so I wanted to do the full paint on it. I am gonna go matte white pretty soon. I'm just gonna do a matte clear bra all over it. So we're gonna protect that nice paint, and we're gonna make it matte because I think the Uruses also look incredible in the matte or satin colors. Just like the Novitec Cullinan you guys saw, we did the whole back diffuser custom, the wing. We did some custom body work on this guy. So it still has a 1016 Industries body kit, but the front lip has been extended outwards. It has the same design actually, but it has been extended. So this and this match, and that comes out more. Also, the sides are extended and come out. Literally, this thing before ended right here, and to me, it always felt like it wasn't so pronounced. So I went ahead and we brought it out. We matched the flare, and we painted the whole lip. So it is forged carbon, but we painted it white because we wanted to give that crazy stance in the front. The other custom thing we did is these side panels right here. Those side panels, 1016 Industry made the mold for us. We had to do some other work to make it work, and it's the only Urus in the world that has that. So before that, it was pretty much narrow body look, but with that now, it has the wide body look. It makes it even look wider. Other than that, the forged carbon is still all over the place. I painted the hood white, left the vents in there. We didn't talk too much about the new RDB wheels. These are RDB signature wheels. They're 24 inch, the back is 24 by 13. They have a big ass step lip and cut spokes. Cut spokes really mean, basically, these are your spokes. These typically come until here. What we did is cut them and leave them more on the inside, so it really shows off the width and the lip. The front end wheel is nothing like I've seen before on the front of a vehicle. Super crazy. Of course, both sides are different. This is my black version, and we got the polished chrome silver version on that side. Wow. 1 more millimeter out, literally, it will touch. It's literally that close, 1 millimeter, guys. You could barely fit a piece of paper in that flare. That's how ridiculous it is. Yeah, Urus 3.0, let me know what you guys think. Okay, it has 21,000 likes. The deadline is today, so I didn't make it.
Wait, it's not today. You didn't mention it.
Yeah, what is it gonna be forever? Doesn't make sense. 50,000 likes on this YouTube video, and I'll consider doing payment plan for you.
It does.
So until when?
Until next week, Friday.
Let me until next week, Friday.
Today, what is it? Today's Friday.
I'll give you until Monday.
No, it has to be next week till Friday.
Laughing my ass off. When Moses smoked Sarkis, the look on Sarkis' face was pure anguish. Do you know what anguish means?
No.
Like
Angerman.
No, Angroman?
Bro, it's a 3.0 second car. You can't compare.
Oh, look at this. I like how Vic is straight up with Sarkis trying to look out for him. You see?
But
even people know.
But what is my wheels?
That doesn't mean that.
Hold on. Do you promise you have my links, correct?
I told you if you lick that thing in the back of the car, I'll give you. I'll pull over your car. Yeah, I lost it when Moses was in the M8. We also lost it. That was very funny. I'm so happy for him. Can't wait for him to smoke every car known to man.
Okay.
How many cars do you race a day right now?
So far I just raced M8 comp and M8 regular.
I could still fire him and repo his wheels, so it doesn't make sense.
Oh, read this one.
I really think Sarkis deserves a set of RDB wheels. Plus, I want to see them on the X6. A
lot of people they want to see on the X6.
Let's get this video to 100K likes so he gets the whole setup for free. I never said that.
You did say it for free.
I never said free for 100,000 likes.
Well, I don't even think it's gonna hit 50, so I don't know, Sarkis.
Yeah, sorry, man. I still can't believe Sarkis got rid of an amazing E60 for these BMWs. I agree.
That was the fastest car you had.
No,
that was faster than this car.
M5 competition was the fastest one I had.
You didn't have it.
Yes.
You had it for 1 week.
For
it was basically like a rental because it wasn't yours.
It was like a month and a half.
It wasn't yours though.
Why'd you only have it for a month and a half?
Because the paperwork didn't approve.
There's some comments for Luis. I think there's like a mix-up between Luis and you as the favorite character for RDB right now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Used to be Moses for sure. But Moses, nobody likes Moses anymore. Here comes the other two. Why are they holding yours?
Pull! Yeah, but not too hard.
The internet likes Sarkis more than you.
And it's face. Face kill everything.
So you're.
Oh no. Money kill face and face kill.
Money kills face and face
kills everything.
Kills everything? You mean looks or what do you mean?
I don't know.
I know.
Hey, no, seriously, let's talk about money.
Let's talk about your hands.
Hey,
First of all.
what do you want? Hey, I washed my hand already.
But you know the reason why this
That's
one?
permanent. His hand is permanent.
But you know why this one is
Look at this.
better one?
Mira esta.
Because
Mira esta de aquí.
with this, I do everything on the computer. Use my
Yeah, but
brain.
with those hands he
Hey,
created
I
Vic
would do
Cirrus.
this.
Yeah, but if I don't bring him a job, he cannot create. It was a teamwork. Every car, everything, it's teamwork. Even me and everything is teamwork. Without teamwork, no one can do better. Even if I do some mistakes, they cover it. If they do a mistake, I cover it. Oh, you're dead.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long?